Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can use NotebookLM as a beginner. So here you can see I'm on notebooklm.google. So where this is actually a AI that will help you to think smarter and give you some important information about your current inquiry. And actually this NotebookLM is built with Gemini 2.0. That's pretty much strong AI. So here you can see it will help you to get or collect information from your current source, and it will give you the summarize of that source. Then you can also collect some insights, important note and important information about your current incidents. And here see the source, not just the answer. So you can also see a source of an answer. So if you have an answer or article, then you can see the source from here, and it can give you all the details about it like ChatGPT. Now listen and learn on the go. So you can go with the audio overview where you can generate your voice, generate some answer and inquiry with voice, and it will answer you also in voice. So you can communicate with NotebookLM with your voice. So from here we are going to simply click on try NotebookLM. So here it is. So we are on NotebookLM. So here we are going to keep me updated. Now welcome to NotebookLM. Now we are going to create our first notebook. So here gain new understandings about any document or a chatbot grounded in your source, or share your insights. So you can do any of this with that. Now you can simply click on this create new notebook here. Then from here you can upload your source. From here you can simply click on upload, and you can upload your source, any PDF file that you have, like for example this PDF file here. So for example this one, or this and so this one, actually I'm going to add that source here. So here let's see how it's. So from here you can actually upload your source, and it will analyze the source and give you a summarized overview about the source. So this source explores the key of distinction about the physical and digital products. So actually it got it right. That was the slide that comparing showing the comparison overview about physical and digital product. So where you can find the summary here. So you can add the note here. So you can add it a note here. Then you can find the audio overview. So you can generate the audio overview that actually generate the deep dive conversation. So it will show you two hosts that actually one will talk about physical product and another one actually talk about the digital product. So there will be two hosts that actually talking between themselves. Then the notes here. So you can simply click on add note button here. So you can add some notes here if you want. So like anything you want, anything in any note from here. Then you can add the title of the note. So I'm going to add the title of that note here, like this. So I'm going to paste the note here. So just like this you can add the note here. So you can add this in your note here. So I'm going to click on it. So we are going to add it. So copy, and I'm going to paste that here, and you can save that as a note just like this. And here you can see the overview, the summary is here. So where you can undo and redo it, you can select the normal and heading 1 text, heading 2 text, or heading 3 text. You can make anything a bold here. So for example this line here, this specific line, I'm going to make it bold. You can make it bold specific thing here. So here is the number list, here is bulleted list. You can create anyone. So you can delete a note from here simply click on this trash again and simply click on delete. Now here is study guide. It will provide you some study guide on a specific sections, or briefing doc actually, and FAQ and timeline. So go with the study guide here. So here is new note generating based on one source. So it will create here it is. So it will give you the study guide on this specific topic that you have got from that source here. So here you can see the study guide, full study guide here. So if you want to deep dive in this source, and if you want to create a note on that, and if you want to research on that, then NotebookLM is a perfect tool for you. Now briefing doc, you can find some briefing doc from here if you want to get a briefing about this topic, and then it can give you the briefing. Here is the briefing about that. So you can find all of things, and FAQ also. If you can also generate the FAQ from here. Also you can upload any video also as a source. So here is the FAQ, the question and answer. Here is the question and here is the answer. So you can generate FAQ from here that actually pretty much cool, and the question is much impactful. And also you can create a timeline based on the timeline that actually give you the comparison overview on that based of time. So just like this, you can also discover something. You can simply click on it and you can discover something, like discover something you'd like to learn about, like or click I'm feeling curious or explore a new topic. So if you click on it, then you can find a new topic that that can actually increase your curiosity, and that can actually match your curiosity from here, just like this. So you can import all of this from here, sources from here if you want. So or you can describe something like world economy or the Rothschilds impact on world economy. So submit. Let's see the source where it come from. So all the source from here, you can find all the source from here. So you can get all the source and you can import it. So here is the 10 source that actually imported here. So you can see it has just collecting data from all sources here. So also you can add a source. You can simply click on it and you can use the Google Drive, or you can use the link. So you can go with YouTube link. So if you want to gather a game here, like here it is. So we are going to create another one. So here is the source guide here. So you can find source guide, and here is the summary where you can get all of this summary from here. So I'm going to delete all of them from here, and for that, if you want to delete a source, you can simply click on it, remove source, delete. So all sources here, we can select all of them here, and we can customize it, or we can generate it by simply click on it, and it will generate that all of this here. So I'm going to delete all this source also. So delete here. So we can generate it. So also we can unselect it, and we can generate it based on these sources here. So here is that generating the conversation. You can also generate something like with like from here, the Google Slides, from Google Docs, from website or YouTube video. Also you can copy or paste a text if you have a copy text here. Now the source limit here, you can use only 15 source, then you have to use the premium version. Now here is the share button where you can share with other peoples, that actually Google share for Google actually allow for every Google application. Now here is upgraded version here, where you can see the device language. You can set the language here. You can set the appearance mode here. So you can find the upgraded version here. So here is upgraded version where you have to pay this amount of per month here. So it will you can also start a trial from here. So you have to wait until it generate the conversation based on these 8 sources. So it can combine multiple sources that you want. So it's pretty much cool. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.